Are there any like habits or non-negotiables that you do in your day that you make sure, like, no matter if it's a billion views, like, I'm still going to be authentically me and not let the world, because there's probably been, I'm sure there's people that have been trying to tell you like, hey, do this or do that, but you stay authentically you.
100%. And you said it right. Fame isn't what you think, right? If you wear the shoes, it comes with its pros, but there's a lot of cons too. It's not what you think it is. So you made a good point. The daily habits, I think, is big. One thing that's big for me is my circle of people I keep around me.
Yes.
And I've
Nice.
had to learn this throughout the years. This wasn't always something I had together, of course. So I had to shed a lot of friends and get them in a circle, and then even constantly tailor that circle to see what that should look like. Because one thing that's really resonated to me even the last, maybe 5, 7 years is that whoever you keep around you directly represents. And so somebody you might think is cool in a casual hangout, you might not weigh in. Like, how do they really represent you? How are they perceived by other people?